Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Nowadays it's more important than ever to protect your privacy and you keep yourself safe and secure online, because any website and any service is trying to collect your data. So if that's a concern you have, then here are 7 free tools that you can use to protect your personal information and data online. So without further ado, let's get started. HTTPS Everywhere is a must-have extension for any Windows user. This extension will make sure that every website you visit is using the HTTPS protocol. And that's important because HTTPS protects your personal information and your credit card information from being stolen by encrypting them. That's very important to stay safe while you're browsing the internet, and yet there are still a lot of websites that use the normal HTTPS protocol. This extension is very important to stay private while you're browsing the internet, but if there is a website you visit that is not using the HTTPS protocol, then you should stay away from it for your own safety. Next is Web of Trust. This great extension rates websites based on other users' experience, so it will help you avoid scammy websites with malicious links and stay safe online. Beside any link, you'll find this website's icon. If it's green, that means the website is trusted. If it's red or orange, that means the website is untrusted or suspicious. But if you saw this question mark, that means that this website is unknown. Next is UBlock Origin. I talked about this extension on the Edge extensions video. If you are interested, you'll find the link in the description below. This is a must-have extension for any Windows user because it blocks ads more than any other extension, and yet it's easy on the CPU and memory. It's lightweight and it won't affect the look or the functions of any website you visit. Next on our link is Unshortened Link. Now, using link shortened services is a common way to embed malicious links and make you click on it. And to deal with a problem like that, you can use Unshortened Link. This extension will make you know the original link and also will tell you if the link is safe or not. Now, for example, if I click on one of these examples here, the website will give me the original link and also tells me if it's safe or not. So this is a useful tool to have. Next on our list is Privacy Badger. This is a powerful tool to block ads and cookies and trackers that should be on anyone's PC. What's different about this extension is that it doesn't rely on lists of websites to filter, but it learns from your browsing experience. The more you use it, the more ads and trackers it will find and block. This is a powerful tool that definitely should be on your PC. Next on our list is Click&Clean. This is a popular extension for Google Chrome. This extension will provide you with a drop-down menu filled with useful tools that you can use to clean your data. You can clear private data, cache, history. You can scan your system for malware directly from this extension. You can also clean plugins, extensions, and remove unwanted tools that may slow your browsing experience. And what I love the most about this extension is the option to completely clean your browser with one simple click. When you click on Options, you see this menu. Select the options and the data that you want to clean, and then click on Run Cleaner. This extension is a fast and simple way to clean your computer without going to the settings menu. The final extension we're going to cover today is LastPass. This is a must-have extension for anyone. It's a cross-platform. You can use it on your PC, your phone, anywhere you want. This tool will allow you to create powerful passwords and keep your personal accounts safe and secure. And you only need to remember the master password. So this is a secure way to keep yourself safe, especially right now when you can use your personal accounts, your business, with one simple mistake and with clicking on one link. To back up your accounts, you can simply click on the extension, then click on account options, then advanced, and you can export your passwords to back them up and keep them in your system if you need them later. Besides these extensions, you should also use a private web browser. I suggest Brave. It's my favorite. It's safe and secure. And for searching the web, you can use DuckDuckGo. It's a well-known search engine that doesn't collect your data. And you can also try the new Brave search engine. It's still new, but Brave is a trusted company that you can trust and rely on. And that's it. I hope that you find these extensions helpful. If you know any other tools that you're using, or if you used any of these extensions, please share with us your experience. Until I see you in the next video, bye.